Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with that frustrating high-pitched noise coming from your Roku TV in 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered. This issue is more common than you think and can often be fixed with a few simple steps right at home. In this video, we'll walk you through the troubleshooting process step by step, so you can get back to binge watching your favorite shows in peace. Let's dive in. First things first, start with the basics. Check all your connections. Make sure your HDMI cables, power cords, and any other peripherals are securely plugged in. A loose connection can sometimes cause electrical interference that leads to that annoying whine. Unplug everything, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it all back in tightly. If that doesn't do the trick, try a full restart. Power off your Roku TV using the remote, unplug it from the wall outlet, and let it sit for at least a minute. This clears any temporary glitches in the system. Once it's been unplugged for a bit, plug it back in and turn it on. You'll be surprised how often this simple step resolves audio issues. Next, head into the settings menu to check for software updates. Press the home button on your remote, go to Settings, System Update, and see if there's anything available. Installing the latest firmware can fix bugs that might be causing the noise. If an update is pending, go ahead and install it. Your TV will restart automatically afterward. Another potential fix is adjusting your audio settings. Navigate to Settings, Audio, and ensure the output is set to match your setup, like TV speakers or an external soundbar. Sometimes, switching to a different audio mode, such as PCM instead of Dolby, can eliminate the high-pitched sound. Experiment a little here to see what works best. If you're still hearing the noise, it could be due to overheating. Make sure your TV is in a well-ventilated area, away from walls or curtains that might block airflow. Use a soft cloth to gently clean any dust from the vents on the back of the TV. Overheating can strain components and lead to unusual sounds, so keeping things cool is key. In some cases, the problem might stem from your power source. Try plugging your TV into a different outlet or using a surge protector to rule out electrical issues. If none of these steps help, it might be a hardware problem, and it's time to contact Roku support or a professional technician for further assistance. There you have it, easy fixes for that high-pitched noise on your Roku TV. We hope this guide saved you some hassle. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.